Partners likes all over IG. DMs keep buzzing and you just can't take it anymore. I feel you. I've been there before. Come here and let's fix it. So, real talk, let's take your power back. I'm handing you a super simple calm script, 3 quick lines, and a boundary menu. You can literally copy and use. No drama, just skills. Jealousy isn't a personality flaw. It's a body alarm. Fast, loud, and honestly, often wrong. When we don't know what to do, we either shut down or go full detective. Both wreck the vibe. My promise, you'll leave with words that actually land and one tiny action. That makes this your new normal. First move, name the alarm, not the accusation. Try this. Hey, my body just spiked when I saw your like on her or his post. I want closeness, not control. Can we talk for 5? You're reporting what's happening inside you, not judging their intentions. Example, my chest went tight when I saw the DM from Alex. 5 minutes now or after dinner? That one shift drops defenses and keeps you two on the same team. Next up, ask for clarity. Don't cross-examine. Skip the why are they in your DMs again energy. Go with, can you give me context for that like or message? What does it mean to you? Context before conclusions. If they offer to show the thread, cool, but you're asking for meaning, not running an audit. And when the first surge hits, channel a little shake it off energy. Let that spike fall before you decide anything big. Third move, make a repair request that's small and specific. Here's one thing that would help me feel safe next time. Your specific ask. Are you open to that? Keep it doable. For example, if a past fling DMs, reply in daylight and keep it friendly, not flirty. Or, if someone drops a spicy comment, delete it and tell me later. Or, if your ex shows up at events, introduce me quickly. Small asks are testable, respectful, and way less likely to start World War III. Alright, boundary menu time. Copy any of these and pilot for 2 weeks. First, DM hygiene. No disappearing messages with anyone you've had romantic history with. If a chat turns flirty, name it and close it. I'm in a relationship. This isn't appropriate. If contact must continue for work, keep it public or in a group thread. Second, check in windows. Pick the daily windows to reply to non-urgent DMs. Everything else waits. If you're about to interact in a way that could be misread, pre-brief your partner. Heads up, I'm liking a bunch photos. From the launch team, if either of you gets triggered, use the simple signal, green flag, translation, quick 5-minute talk. Soonest, context lines for gray zones, celebrating the project with coworkers, no hidden meaning, it's just an old friend. From school, friendly catch-up only, not for me, please, keep it respectful. A few common traps, skip these. Snooping, it turns you into a cop and them into a suspect. Ask, don't sneak. Global labels like you're untrustworthy. Describe the moment, not the person. First conversation ultimatums. Unfollow everyone or else. Start with one change and test it for 2 weeks. Tiny homework super doable. Open notes and type 3 lines. Alarm, not accusation. Context before conclusions. One small repair request. Then text, green flag check-in at 8:30? Finally, pick one boundary from the menu and pilot it for 14 days. If your story includes trauma or past betrayal, a couples therapist can add safety and structure. This is education, not diagnosis. If these quick talk tools help, hit subscribe. I've got a whole playlist for busy couples who want less drama and more belonging, legit skills you can try in minutes and feel in days. Want to prove it works? Sam and Joe were stuck in the who is that loop. They tried DM hygiene and context lines. Week 1, fewer spikes, still awkward but calmer. Week 2, they added check-in windows, fights dropped, and weekends felt lighter. By week 3, jealousy still popped up, but it didn't run the night. No gross accusations. No Cold War. Just clear steps and quick repairs. Turns out, we really can work it out when we use the right tools. Quick recap before you bounce. ComScript equals name the alarm, ask for context, make one small request. Boundaries equals DM hygiene, check in windows. Context lines, pick one and pilot it for some time. Use green flag to say, I want us, not a win. Next up, watch Stop the Text Spiral for rules that save fights. It stacks perfectly with this so your next tough talk by phone doesn't blow up. And drop a comment. Which boundary are you trying first and why?